Nothing's more annoying than trying to play music and it's not connecting on Bluetooth and not working. Well, with this speaker, you have 3 different options for playing music or podcast or whatever you like listening to. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about the speaker right here that they sent us to give her feedback on, and you can decide whether or not it's a good purchase for you. So right off the bat, when I opened it up, it's got some good weight to it. It's not like a really cheap plastic. A couple cool things about it, the way it looks is they have these different lights here, and you can change the light to like different, each one of those you can change it to. I'm not going to sit here and make you watch each one of them. The thing that's cool about it though, to be able to play 3 different types of connections is this little spot right here you can open up. I'm guessing this is waterproof, that's why there's this plug here. And you have the auxiliary cord, which is your standard, looks like the old school headphone cord. You can plug that in from there to the device you're trying to connect to. You have the Bluetooth, of course, which everyone has, but this is something that I haven't seen very often, or is a micro SD port. So when I first saw that, I was thinking, what would you use that for? But then I looked it up, and it's actually a really good idea. So when you're somewhere where there's no service, or your phone's not working, or way out in nature or camping, you can have an SD card with all your favorite music on it. Plug this in, and a couple things. 1, you're not having to worry about text interruptions or phone calls, but 2, is that the battery will actually last longer because it's not sending that signal off to your phone, which is really nice. So you can put all your favorite music, everything on it, and put it in a little SD card. You could even just store it right in here and then have that at your hand whenever you want. It's also got a nice little string right here to hang stuff to hang on. It's pretty thick, so you can hang it up. A lot of times what I use for Bluetooth speakers is I have those headphones on, and over time I started thinking it's probably not a good idea to have the Bluetooth on my head at all times. So with a speaker like this, I can just set it up while I'm working and listen to either music or podcasts or whatever I'm trying to listen to at the time. But the speaker is nice. It's also got, so on the side right here you can see sound comes out of both ends, and while I'm not allowed to play music for you on here, I'm going to play something for you that is music to my ears. Here we go. Oh, you like that, Max? Yeah, that's my dog howling, and it comes in crystal clear. I don't know if you can tell or not on there, but it sounds really, really clear. And the cool thing about it too is it's got a really powerful bass, and you can turn it up really loud. So if you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker that's not just your average Bluetooth speaker but has 3 different ways to play music, then I definitely recommend checking this one out. I think you'll be pretty surprised.